Hey, welcome back to Waking the Mystic, where we celebrate who we are. Today's insights are about time and space, and that we live in a time-lapse reality, sort of like when we're watching a video, fast forward, slow motion. It's kind of the reality we live in. And what is space, actually? And does it actually exist? Interesting insights. Definitely give it a listen. Let me know what you think. And yeah, it's always nice to hear a different perspective on things. So thanks. You live in a time-lapse universe. Everything, and I mean everything, has its conception and its ending. Every physical object has a beginning and an end. A tiny grass seed appears to grow in stages. A house is built from the foundation up. A road is built. A lunch is prepared. A product is made. A body is born. From where do these objects arise? We assume they grow or are produced in stages. When we observe a time-lapse video, we are watching the film strip present us with the conception of something into its full growth and to its ending. Each frame, from beginning to end, are single frames with which the human brain sees as a progression of experience. The world of time and space gives us the opportunity to experience these objects in a slow, methodical way. But from where do these arise in the first place? What is observing these objects come and go? The one observing has no inception and no ending. The observer is you. The child that observed the blade of grass grow in science class is the adult that watches that very same blade of grass grow. That observer has never changed, you see. The objects are created within the consciousness of the individuated person, which is also a part of the objective reality. What appears to be a lapse of time in the growth or development of an object is the concept of time produced by the consciousness itself. For we know time does not really exist except within our own minds. The concept of space is the distance between two objects. What is that space between two objects really? Is there actually a distance between anything at all? What if you were the space that creates the appearance of being separate from the objects observed? What if you were made from the same essence of all that is perceived? What appears to be a distance is simply two objects existing in the same space. When you look at the sun, is it actually out there, far away from you? If you are observing it, then it is within you, is it not? What we perceive as separate from us and each other is the infinite field of awareness. Are you separate from the infinite field? How could you be if you are observing all things, including your own body, which appears and disappears in what appears to be a time-lapse world? Time and space are non-existence, you see. The objective reality perceived is your very self, manifesting into an infinite number of shapes and patterns, coming and going, yet you remain, as always, in your natural state of perfection. In the dream state, is the landscape or objects out there, away from you, or is it all in your own mind? Is the space between two objects separate from you or them, or are they all one and the same? A river of water flows and whirlpools appear. Would you say these whirlpools are separate from the water, or are they expressions within the water itself? They form and unform, yet are not separate from the water itself. When you dream at night, where is your physical body? You arise and assume it is right where you left it. But is this so? How could you actually know? Where is time except for when you glance at the clock? Has any time gone by at all?